Okay, hi everybody. Got another package today, 2 in one day. I couldn't believe that. Anyway, this is from Mark at Same Old77, and we're going to do another unboxing. Looking like bubble wrap. Oh man, careful here. It's a really cool channel. If you haven't subscribed to him yet, go over there and give him a like and a sub, and you'll see a lot of cool things. Wow, look at this. Very cool pouch. Inside, what is this? Oh, that's from the Hidden Woodsman. He must have ordered it from him. And here's his channel sticker. Oh, someone. BattleHorseKnives.com. And what it is a stove. A really cool stove. This is the Nano Box, Firebox. Plus he included extra accessories that the Nano company sent to him. I'll have to do a demo on all this stuff. This is so cool. I've been wanting a stick stove forever. So compact. That's really cool. So, yeah. So check out Same Old 77. Sub his channel. He's a really cool person. He's still doing more giveaways. He's doing 9 or something like that for 9 years that he's been on. And he's not done. He's given away a lot more cool things. So, and this is one of them. So I want to thank you all so much for watching. I love you. Peace out.